Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or hi if you're new. So today I was just playing around and I came up with this spring look. It's really warm toned, so if you like warm tones, this one's for you. I got this look using the Carli Bybel palette, so all of the colors are from the Carli Bybel palette, and it's super simple. I think anyone could follow along with it. I hope so anyway. I don't really have much else to say about it other than if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm not really sure what I want to do yet. I think that I want to do something kind of springy because it's going to be spring soon and I just want it to come quicker. I just want it to come quicker. I want it to come quickly. I don't know. Are you going to keep me company, baby? Who is that up there? Oh, who is that? Okay, anyways, so I'm just gonna start by filling in my eyebrows with my go-to BH Cosmetics Studio Bro, yes. BH Studio Pro Brow Palette. I'm going to use this small angled brush. You get it. So I already have fake eyelashes on, so if it looks like I have makeup on, I just have fake eyelashes on. So the next thing I'm going to do is my foundation. I'm gonna moisturize my face first with the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. And I do this because my skin is really dry and it also makes my skin tacky, so my makeup sticks onto it really well. The foundation I'm gonna use is the MAC Studio Fix Fluids, and I'm mixing NC10 and NC20. I'm gonna use my buffing brush to blend it out. For my contour, I'm gonna be trying out a new product. I don't know if it's actually new, but it's new to me. So this is the e.l.f. Foundation palette in medium dark, but I'm gonna use it for contouring. I have typically used my RCMA palette for contouring, but it's kind of running out and it's my favorite, so I want to save it for my clients. So I figured I'd try this e.l.f. kind, and plus it's cheaper. So I'm going to start by using this one here. I'm a little worried they're going to be too orange, but we'll see. And in this, I am just following the natural curves of my face, so right around where my forehead tilts backwards, I guess, and then in the hollows of my cheeks, and then right in my Cupid's bow area I like to contour. I'm going to use the same buffing brush I used for my foundation on my contour. That's pretty good. That's better than I thought it would be. It's not blending out so well on my forehead, so I'm going to add a little bit of moisturizer to help with that. I'll just use my finger for my Cupid's bow area. Onto concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Conceal in the shade Fair, and it's actually pretty much gone, so here's a little trick I have for you. Just take a scissors and cut here. I'm gonna use my concealer brush. I already used it today, so it's kind of gross. Sorry. You guys, it's so cute. His ear sticks off to the side. Do you see over there? All right, concealing under my eyes a little bit. I do my chin and then the high points of the Cupid's bow. And then I'll do right on my forehead and also going underneath my eyebrows. And prime my eyelids. To set my cream products, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm going to use my little powder puffer thing. I don't know what it's called. This is just going directly under my eyes. I'm going to carve out my cheeks. So following right under where I put that contour line. Then I just like to take a little on my finger and dust it on my eyelid. What do I want to do? I don't know what I want to do.
6.5 hours later.
So I'm gonna do my eyes with my Carli Bybel palette. I love this palette, and I think it's gonna stop being sold soon, so you might want to pick it up very soon. The first shade I'm gonna take is this peach color right here with this fluffy blending brush, and I'll use this as my transition color. This is gonna go right in the crease. I'm gonna move on to this burnt orange color right here with the same brush, and just focus that more in the crease than outside of the crease. I'm gonna go in with this brown from the palette and just do a tiny bit in the outer corner and bring it towards the center of my eye in the crease. Now for the outer half of my eyelid, I'm gonna go in with this brown shimmer right here. Okay, now before I blend any of that out, I'm gonna go into the palette again and grab this pink shimmery color here. And this one is so pretty, and bring that on the front half of my eyelid. Now I'm gonna take this big fluffy brush we use for the transition color and blend it very lightly together. So the seam right here, and then through the crease. Now I'm gonna dust away that fallout and the extra powder that I had on my face. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with the first and second transition colors I used with this small blending brush and just dust it underneath my waterline. Next, with the dark brown in the palette that we used earlier, I'm gonna use this flat brush. It's very small. And I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna put that right above my eyelashes. So now I'm gonna move on to my contouring, and for that I'm gonna use my Benefit Hoola Bronzer, and then this tapered blending brush, I don't know, tapered brush around the perimeter of my forehead. And I like to dust this around my nose too. Onto blush, I'm gonna use my Tarte blush in the shade Party, and I'm actually gonna mix it with my bronzer. I think that just gives a really nice golden glow to the blush and makes you look sun-kissed, and it's so cute. I start back by my temples and bring it towards the front of the apple of my cheek. For highlight, I'm gonna go back in my Carli Bybel palette, and I'm going to use this pink shade here mixed with this white right here. And I'm gonna take this clean brush now. This is the same one I used on my eyes, but it's clean now. And I'm gonna take it in here. I feel like it's just more precise. And I'm gonna round it around my eye. I'm gonna go on my Cupid's bow and the tip of my nose all the way up the bridge. Now I'm gonna take this pointed sponge brush in the same highlight shades and go underneath my brows and on my inner corners. To finish up my eyes, I'm going to move on to eyeliner. So I'm going to use my NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Black and do a simple wing. Hopefully it will be simple. I don't want it to be too dramatic, but we all know how that goes. Now onto mascara. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and then put on my mascara. The mascara I'm gonna use is from CoverGirl, and this is just the Professional Remarkable mascara. And the lashes I have on right now are the Ardell Natural Wispies. Next, I'm gonna line my lips with this Maybelline lip liner. I don't know the shade because I've had it so long and I can't even see the shade. I'm gonna go with my Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick. Wow, that's a mouthful. And this is the shade Nudist Peach. This is really pretty. It's like orange pink. Peach, I guess. This is by far the best drugstore liquid lipstick I've ever used. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. Yeah, I don't really know what to call this look. It's kind of like a spring glam, I don't know. I really don't know. If you like this video, make sure to hit subscribe if you're not already. Make sure to follow my Instagram at Jenna Wickland, MUA. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.